Hi everyone. So this week we looked kind of more at measuring and how we can measure in specific ways to translate data into insights. Specifically reading a chapter based on the key performance indicators was really interesting to see how we can break down insights into more knowledge and data that is easier to understand and read to make an impact and change on a company. So looking just at KPIs in general, one thing that stood out to me was just the phrase of measure, report, analyze, and optimize. I thought it was important steps with taking data and measuring it and getting to the ultimate result of optimizing the data that you find and using that data to your advantage. Also, using key performance indicators is also efficient because it makes the data that you choose to set for goals as your company stand out, and then the other data that is less important is not an issue. And also, looking just at who your audience is and speaking to, and the hierarchy of the information that you're giving within your KPIs is also a key part of the insights that you're sharing, whether it's with the CEO or with fellow directors or managers within similar departments. And lastly, just the overall idea that KPIs are taking the data and measuring that and reporting the data that you find into insights. And here's an image here of just displaying a quick dashboard, and really simple, easy to read, and to be able to take that data and turn it into useful information for optimizing your company. And so just looking specifically at how KPIs affect the digital side of things, I thought the article was interesting, talking about how KPIs are a key part of web analysis, and in order to do that, you want to have the ultimate goal of optimizing your website and wanting to optimize your digital channels, because if you don't, then KPIs are not important. And if you're not tracking data, then there's no way to get KPIs. And lastly, just seeking value within the data that you do find. So just here, being able to use Google Analytics or other tools to pull out numbers and use numbers over time through months and other weeks or other periods of time to measure what data is doing and how it's responding in different times is also an important part of that. So that's what I learned from just reading